Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There's something special about getting your hands in the soil. It's a way to connect, create beauty, and find peace in our busy lives. For me, the garden is a sanctuary where I can slow down and watch something beautiful grow. The right tools make gardening feel less like work and more like a joyful ritual. Flimsy tools can ruin the experience, so I'm always on the lookout for gear that's practical, durable, and thoughtfully designed. Today, I'm sharing some premium finds that blend form and function, tools that elevate your garden time. Think of it as curating your toolkit with pieces that bring comfort, efficiency, and satisfaction. Ready to upgrade to high-end gear? We're diving into 25 luxury gardening tools and gifts every woman secretly wants, hand-picked from Amazon. Stay till the end for an exclusive pick that looks like a garden tool, but sparkles like a diamond. First up, a true back and knee saver. This multi-purpose kneeler seat features a thick foam pad for comfort and flips into a sturdy stool for pruning or harvesting. Lightweight yet strong, it's easy to carry and stable wherever you need it. It turns garden chores into moments of comfort and joy, a must-have companion for every gardener. If you're always searching for your tools, this one's for you. The heavy-duty kneeler has robust support and generous tool pockets right at your side. No more getting up to fetch tools. Everything stays organized and within reach. It's solid, dependable, and keeps you focused on your garden. Thoughtful design turns a good tool into an essential one. Take convenience up a notch with the 2-bag kneeling chair combo. It offers kneeler and stool functions, plus 2 detachable tool bags for ultimate organization. Perfect for big projects. Load up your tools and have a mobile command center. Durable canvas bags are easy to remove and versatile for any task. It's all about seamless workflow and more time creating. Short on storage or love gardening on the go? This folding stool and kneeler collapses flat for easy storage and transport. Lightweight yet strong, it's perfect for community gardens or small spaces. Its smart, compact design encourages you to garden anywhere, anytime, convenience and comfort all in one. Need a workhorse? This kneeler is built to last. With a 150 kilograms weight rating and heavy-gauge steel frame, it offers unmatched stability. The extra thick foam pad protects your knees on any surface. Invest once, use for decades. Luxury that just works. Perfect for the dedicated everyday gardener. Ready for a little garden magic? The electric plant tying machine automates tying stems to supports. Just press a button. Fast, efficient, and gentle on delicate plants. Save hours in large gardens and support your plants perfectly. Innovation that makes ambitious gardening easy. Transplant seedlings with precision and care. This tool lets you plant without touching fragile roots. Just push, drop, and release. The long handle saves your back, and stainless steel means easy cleaning. Give your plants the best start, every time. Plant seeds or bulbs quickly and evenly with this heavy-duty manual seeder. It opens the soil, drops the seed, and covers it. No bending required. Uniform rows, better germination, and effortless planting. Built tough for ambitious projects and tough soil. Style meets utility with this 18-pocket leather tool belt. Supple leather ages beautifully and fits comfortably. Deep and small pockets keep every tool organized, including your phone. The extra-large design distributes weight evenly. Feel prepared and professional every time you garden. For gardeners who keep bees, safety is key. This khaki beekeeping suit offers full-body protection and comfort. Thick cotton and a collapsible veil keep you safe and calm. Deep pockets hold your hive tools. Essential gear for confident, peaceful beekeeping. Protect your skin when working with chemicals. DuPont chemical sleeves offer a professional-grade barrier against splashes. Lightweight, secure, and easy to wear over clothing. Stay safe while keeping your garden healthy. Simple, crucial protection for every gardener. Prefer modern durability? Try this ballistic nylon tool belt. It's nearly indestructible, with 17 pockets for ultimate organization. Features like a tape measure clip and reinforced loops add versatility. Built for tough conditions and heavy use. high-performance gear for serious gardeners. Transform your garden with a Japanese Zen wood bridge. It's a stunning feature that adds tranquility and structure. Weather-resistant wood blends seamlessly with nature. Create a focal point and a sense of journey in your space. Invest in the soul of your garden. Mature trees need special care, safely. This climbing kit includes spurs, harness, and lanyard for secure tree work. Reach branches ladders can't, and maintain your trees with confidence. Serious gear for serious tree care. Organization starts with great storage. The Longacre Scale storage box protects delicate tools and seeds. Customizable foam inserts keep everything in place. Durable, lockable, and portable for your most valuable supplies. Bring calm and order to your garden shed. Elevate your gardening with a redwood potting bench. Naturally rot-resistant, it's a beautiful, functional workstation. Features like a dry sink, shelves, and drawers keep you organized. Turn potting into a creative, enjoyable experience. Water management made easy. The Redline transfer pump moves water quickly. Drain, transfer, or remove with ease. Lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and powerful. A luxury tool for peace of mind in any garden. Haul heavy loads with ease using the triangle wheel foldable cart. Its 3-wheel design offers stability over rough terrain and stairs. Folds compactly for easy storage. Combines capacity with portability. Make big garden jobs manageable and strain-free. Luxury in the everyday, a woven flower basket. Perfect for harvesting delicate produce or fresh flowers. The open weave allows air circulation and easy rinsing. Beautiful as a tool or a gift. Turn harvesting into a joyful, picturesque moment. Bring the garden indoors with a 5-tier hanging plant rack. Create a vertical garden in any sunny window or kitchen. Stylish materials add to your decor while saving space. Display more plants even in small spaces. Surround yourself with greenery year-round. Organize your garage or shed with the Jadabosch wall-mounted rack. Store long-handled tools neatly on adjustable hooks and clamps. Keep everything off the floor and easy to access. Customizable to fit your collection. A simple upgrade for efficient, satisfying storage. The future of home gardening is here. The Zenite Hydroponics Tower grows herbs, greens, and berries indoors. No soil needed. Built-in pump and LED lights create a self-contained ecosystem. Sleek design makes it a living sculpture for your kitchen. Fresh produce at your fingertips all year long. Celebrate the gardener with a touch of sparkle. Lab-grown diamond earrings are real, ethical, and sustainable. A symbol of beauty and resilience, just like your garden. The perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Every garden queen deserves her diamonds. Here's the exclusive pick. A garden tool that dazzles. Imagine a dibber with a polished wood handle and stainless steel tip. But at the tip, a brilliant cut diamond. It's not just a tool, it's a work of art and a symbol of new beginnings. The ultimate luxury for the gardener who has everything. A conversation piece and future heirloom. Meet the Smart Soil Sensor, a must-have for modern gardeners. It tracks moisture, fertility, temperature, and sunlight, sending real-time data to your phone. Get personalized care tips for every plant. No more guesswork, just thriving, happy plants. Smart, data-driven gardening at your fingertips. That's 25 luxurious ways to elevate your garden. I hope you found inspiration for your own sanctuary. From comfort to innovation, these tools make gardening a joy. Invest in quality, nurture your space, and nurture yourself. Your garden reflects you. Fill it with things you love. Check the description for links to your favorites. Like, subscribe, and share your dream gardening tool below. Happy gardening!